This is the wall press exercise. So this is a really great exercise to strengthen our glute med muscle, as well as it's called a hip centration exercise to help correct muscle imbalances in the hip. So to perform, we're going to need to come up to a wall, and the hardest part is finding the right kind of distance from the wall that we need to be, which we'll do in the clinic here. But the first thing is we're going to come up, stand next to the wall, and bring, so again, I'm a little bit too far off the wall here, so I'm going to come just a little bit closer, bring my knee on the wall there. There, I'm too close. Right there is perfect. So the first thing, before we actually start with the wall press, we want to make sure that our feet are rooted into the ground. So I'm going to take, again, this is my left foot, and really grip my toes into the ground. That's going to create a lot of tension up the leg here. And then we're going to take our right leg, the one that's against the wall, and we're going to just press it against the wall. And you're not going to need a lot of force, but what you're going to feel is a lot of work on the outside of the hip right here. You're going to hold that for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you can relax and shake it out. And then you come back in. Again, grip the foot on the ground, create that tension, and press against the wall and hold for 5, 10 seconds and relax. There you have it.